Audio Senpai, meet a new guy, and we're at IglooFest having a laugh. I'm gonna try to find Angry Birds and that knee. What's up, ladies? Yeah. Woo, Montreal! Let's go the reverse way. Holy shit, I'm drunk right now. I'm drunk and drunken. People's moving. Yeah! Woo! People are looking for shit on the floor. Some people are high. Where's Chucky? Actually, DJ Blend comes to mind right now, and I'm looking for... Yeah, bro.
You got it, boy.
Where's Angry Birds? Looking for Angry Birds.
Hey, boy.
Have you seen Angry Birds? Yeah! Montreal! Woo! Very funny because people don't realize the only thing that I can see right now is the lighting. Not very much dancing in the darkness like this on a cell phone, but it is still very entertaining to me, and I would love to share this with you. That's why I'm doing it. I would like to find Angry Birds. Kick the can. Starting a game. Vois rien. J'ai dans la lumière. In the light. Woo! Yeah! Calme-toi, demoiselle. One more song! One more song! One more song! Can't stop now! We ain't stopping! Yeah! Oh! J'essaie de relancer! Mais on n'arrêtera jamais! Parce qu'on est à Montréal! Même pour rock! Rock! Montreal! 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 Oh no, my battery is dying. I should use a little bit of a battery for some social networking. So, unfortunately, I'm going to have to stop filming. No! But I had an amazing time tonight. And when I get home, or whenever I get to electricity, I'm definitely plugging shit in and hopefully doing a bit more before the night is over. Rah, 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 rah.